Yeah, I mean, a little combination of some bad luck and mislocations to the wrong guys.
I guess Harper always qualifies as the wrong guy. to miss
Yeah,
on.
yeah. One of the best in the game, not the best. So, I like the pitch call. I missed the execution. You know, he capitalized. And, same with was Turner on. Is that when he hit the cutter for the double? I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another good hitter where I didn't execute that pitch. You know, first run, a little bit of bad luck. You know, ball gets caught in the corner, turns into a triple and a sac fly. Just a little bit of bad luck there mixed with missed execution.
Looking at your season as a whole, what's the next step?
I think just to keep pushing forward, man. You know, I'm not far off from getting on the roll. I feel like, you know, it seems from a starting standpoint, I'm running some big innings, but there's a lot of good to take away from you know my starts. Just one or two pitches, you know, that I don't execute. And it always seems to have some guys on base that lead to a big inning. Execute and mix a pitch as well. Other than that, and then from a release standpoint, just really nothing different mentally and physically. I feel fine executing and maybe just there's shorter outings out of the bullpen. But again, I feel good. Just keep pushing forward, I'd say.
Guessing when you get a chance to start, you wish you could have work out in your favor more often than like days like today where, you know, you gotta kind of start from long class for a couple times. You know, just want to.
Yeah, I mean, that's part of it. I mean, that's, I think I do a good job and we do a good job here of preparing for that, and the communication's really well. It's not, I wouldn't say it's anything to do with, you know, going to the bullpen and coming back into the rotation and going back to the bullpen, whatever that may be. So in terms of preparation, I think it's great. Body feels good. Probably just you know, be a little bit better there with two strikes to the right guys.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.